Hi guys, welcome to the video. I'm just going to do a quick breakdown of EURJPY. I'm going to show you how I mark the charts and also if there is a potential trade setup, how I would do it. So let's get started. First of all, you start on the weekly time frame. You want to trap the price between two levels. So here I can see we've got a support on the weekly. It's been respected 1, 2, 3 times. And here you've got a resistance. It's been respected here once and twice. So that's the most recent weekly level. Then go into the daily time frame, and again you want to trap the price between two levels. How do you do this? You do it where there's a higher high and a higher low. So here's a higher high, here's a higher low. How is that a higher low? Where price changes from bearish to bullish. This is what you call a point of reaction, where the price changes direction. So this is a level. Here's another level, higher low. This is a level, higher high, higher high. This is the most recent high low, looking at the most recent price action. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this as resistance on the daily time frame. I'll put that in red. This is a higher high, but it's been breached. So this is the most up-to-date one, higher high. So this is where price changes from bearish to bullish, higher low. This is the most recent higher high, where price changes from bullish to bearish, a green candle to a red candle. So now that we've done that on the daily time frame, we're going to go ahead and go to the H4 time frame. And same again. So how do I do this? It's the same. You repeat the process. You want two levels. So we've got a level here, which is most recent higher high, and price made a high low here. So I'll go ahead and mark these two levels. You've got a support region here. Change that to yellow. And here. So I can expect price to use this as support and go up to this region. Now because I trade intraday trading during the day, you go into the H1 time frame and you want to trap the price even further. So because we're looking at Friday's price action for the intraday levels, here I can see this is the most recent higher low, higher high to the most recent higher low. So here's my intraday levels. So if I'm trading, I would expect this to be my TP support, resistance, and this to be my support. So as you can see, you've also got a support region here, so where price could retrace to the 50%. Price opened London session at 8 o'clock. I would have entered on this trade, would have entered at that time. Because why am I entering on that time? Because it's our support. Price is potentially looking to go up, and if you look at the RSI as well, it's looking bullish. So I would enter that trade because it's changed from bearish to bullish, and also the candlestick analysis as well. If I zoom in, it looks to be going up, which it is. So if I was trading and I entered on that candle, first of all I would highlight it. This would be my top TP and stop loss, which I'll go back to. But remember, for your entry time frame, to reduce your stop loss, you go into the M15 time frame. So here I'll go into the M15, I'll enter on this candle here, 8 o'clock in the morning, 8:15, this one here. I'll enter there, and I'll have my stop loss. Instead of having a stop loss here on H1, which would be 40 pips, the reason why you go on M15 time frame is to reduce your stop loss, to preserve your capital. And I'd have it here, just underneath here, so you've got a 21 pip stop loss. You reduce your stop loss by 50%. That's going to help you preserve your capital. Then if you go into the H1 time frame, you'll see I entered on that candle. My stop loss is 21 pips. My TP is here, 104 pips. So my risk to reward ratio is 4.79, nearly 5, and I'm risking 20 pips to make 100 pips. So if you trade £10 a pip and I make 100 pips, that's 10 grand. But if I'm risking 2%, £2,000, I'm risking £2,000 to make 10 grand. You need £100,000 to do that. But if I had a £10,000 account and I make 100 pips, that's £1,000, and I'm risking £200. So it all depends on your capital, your initial capital, and that's why a lot of people do these FTMO challenges to try and increase their trading capital instead of trading with your own funds. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the analysis. That is how I would do my analysis on EURJPY. That is a potential trade setup that I would have done at 8 o'clock, but obviously I've missed it. And TP1 would have been this region here, because I see potential resistance. If not, then I expect TP2 to be here, 100 pips. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out. I'll leave that analysis as it is, and then in my following videos for the week, I'll show you if price did hit TP or if not. And in fact, looking at the candlestick now, if price does retrace here, I'll enter, and that'll give me a chance to win. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the analysis. I did this within 5 minutes. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. More to come.